Secretary General Baroness Patricia Scotland, congratulations on your excellent stewardship of our Commonwealth Ba'a or ship for 9 years. You have served with determined dedication and energetically promoted and protected our Commonwealth values.
My dear Patricia, you have served with distinction, determination, and a steadfast commitment to the principles of the Commonwealth. You have done it your way, boldly, passionately, and with a deep sense of purpose. And while leadership is never easy, your dedication has made a lasting impact, not only on the people of the Commonwealth, but on the people of Dominica, who share in your legacy.
Your tenure in office has been marked by your selfless dedication to your Commonwealth's core values of good governance, democracy, respect for the rule of law and human rights, and the attainment of global peace and development. Throughout your tenure, you have been a beacon of hope and a champion for unity, tirelessly working to uphold the principles enshrined in the Commonwealth Charter. We witness exceptional progress as you strengthened cooperation among member states.
Throughout her career, Patricia has championed human rights, particularly women's rights. Her passion for combating violence against women and girls has been evident. When Patricia became Secretary General of the Commonwealth in 2016, she made the elimination of violence against women and girls a priority. She launched the Commonwealth Says No More campaign, the first of its kind. I know she will continue this vital work and her passion for human rights long after she leaves this building the last time.
During 8 remarkable years as Commonwealth Secretary General, you have led brilliantly, served humbly, and demonstrated incredible resilience that has endeared you to many.
I'm proud and privileged to know Baroness Scotland, the Secretary General of the Commonwealth, for over 25 years. She's one of the most unique human beings I've ever met. She brought 2 incredible factors to Commonwealth: trust and respect, something that has been missing in the world today.
You gave yourself 24/7 to the Commonwealth. It's amazing the dedication you put and the example you gave to all of us. And you have built an amazing legacy.
SG, it has been an honor and a privilege to serve with you, to support our 56 member states.
Your eloquent advocacy of our Commonwealth ainga or family and propitious defence of small island states and the vulnerable is admirable. You have become a trusted advisor and ally to many leaders. You stood with me, Samoa, and the Pacific to ensure the success of the first CHOGM hosted by a Pacific small island developing state in 2024.
During your tenure, you championed the cause of small states, ensuring that our voices were heard on the global stage. You spearheaded climate action, advocating for the most vulnerable among us. And when crises struck, you stood firm, mobilizing support, providing leadership, and ensuring that the Commonwealth remained a force for good.
To our Secretary General Patricia Scotland, our youth champion, we honor you, we thank you, and appreciate all your great efforts to elevating youth voices at every platform and every level, even to the highest station government body.
You are a defender of the weak. You are a promoter of unity, peace, justice, and equity. You expanded trade in digital services for all.
In your life journey, Patricia, I am certain you were always a trailblazer, and during your tenure as Commonwealth Secretary General, you have shown the remarkable resilience of a female leader from a small island developing state. Thank you for your service, and God bless you in your future journey.
I wish you success in all your future endeavors. I'm confident that your impact will extend far beyond your time as Secretary General. We are all the better for having been touched by your brilliance. Thank you, Right Honourable Patricia Scotland KC, for your service, dedication and enduring leadership.
To our dear friend Patricia, thank you for your continued service and your commitment to the Commonwealth countries. We are looking forward to supporting you in your next steps.
My dearest Patricia, I've been singing to you for many years. I'm repeating it in front of the camera. You are an angel without wings. This should be something that people have to call you. God bless you, and God bless for everything that you have done for us, for humanity, and for Commonwealth.
Know that we thank you and we will always remember you as our youth champion.
God bless you, dear friend. I look forward to continuing to work alongside you for many years to come.
Thank you for all you have done and your service, and we wish you well in your future endeavours and send you much love. Thank you.
The Commonwealth will miss you. Africa will miss you. Right Honourable Patricia Scotland, may the path ahead of you shine even brighter.
We celebrate you today, and we will continue to appreciate the work you have done long into the future. And whatever comes next, I know that you will approach it as you always have, with courage, passion, and a heart for service. We salute you, we love you, and we thank you for your service. God bless you always.